How to fix an error that says this item was encoded in a format that's not supported in your device. Hi everyone, this is Kit and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will fix an error that is this item was encoded in a format that's not supported. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. Whenever you try to open a video in your device and you get an error or the error message in your interface which is this item was encoded in a format that's not supported. So if you have that error, here is how you can solve it. So go to that video and right click on it. From this menu box, click on show more options. Then you have to click on properties. Once you are here, there you will see the type of file, and here it says open with. So you have to make sure that you have the right file chosen to open up the video. If you want to change this format, you can go to change and select the format for your video. If it's a video from VLC, you can choose VLC media player, or you can simply go with the default application. Once that, tap or click on set default. After that, click on apply, then click on OK. Now try to open the videos and your problem or your error will be solved. So that's the way you can fix a missing codec error or the item was encoded in a format that's not supported error in your device. And that's all for this video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.